Thank you for joining me here today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Irene, and in today's video we're going to be doing an extremely exciting unboxing of a hard to get Louis Vuitton item. So without further ado, let's get started. So the item that I am extremely excited to unbox with you guys is sitting there right behind me, and if you guys have read the title of this video, then you guys already know what it is, but I'm just gonna bring it forward here. This is actually an early birthday present to me from my husband. He knows that I've been looking at this item for a while, and I've actually wanted it for many years. It's just nothing that I actually went and got out for myself, partially because it is such a hard to get item. Now, before I get to this, I just want to quickly say that if you guys have watched some of my first videos that I created, which was not that long ago, but I had ordered one of these Monogram planners, and this is quite a large size, and I've been using it every day. I've loved it. It keeps everything nice and organized. I don't forget any of my appointments, and I have a lot of those lately, so that's been great. The only problem that I've started to notice with this is I bring it to and from work basically daily, and I've noticed that because it is so large, it's quite cumbersome and heavy to bring around with me every day. I find that this would work better as a stay-at-home planner. I was looking for something that is a little bit more travel friendly and that is better for on the go rather than something so large and just heavy. So this one right here is the Monogram A5 planner, if I'm not mistaken. I want something that's a little bit more transportable and easy to bring around with me. Hence, I started looking at Louis Vuitton's planners, and when I was looking on the website, my husband saw me looking and he got it in his head that this was going to be my birthday present, and my birthday is coming up in May, so it is a little bit early, but this is my present that he got for me, so I am really excited. It is very thoughtful of him. He's really good at getting gifts for me, and so I'm gonna wanting to unbox this with you guys. I don't want to start using it before I film this. So we just picked it up from our local Louis Vuitton boutique, and I had just gotten home not too long ago, so I'm just gonna start unboxing this with you guys. So again, it comes in this beautiful box. I had this ordered in. It's been sold out for the longest time, and so when we went and looked online, it was sold out until recently. We got a notification that it came back in stock, and so that's when we called the boutique and had them help us order it in. So this is the beautiful box right here. It's got the ribbon. I'm going to undo it. I am super excited. I kind of actually feel guilty that my husband's not here to watch me do this, as this is his gift for me, but it's okay. It's on film. He can watch it. All right, here we go. There goes the ribbon. I've seen people make paperclip like decorative things for their planners using those ribbons. All right, and here's the slide box. I've got, I don't know what this is. It's literally a tiny envelope with a blank piece of paper inside. Is that for a gift, perhaps? So inside here is the planner. Now, the dust bag for this is actually too small for this planner. I had asked them if they could find a larger size while I was at the boutique picking it up, but they couldn't find a larger size, so I'll just deal with it. It's fine. I have other dust bags from Louis Vuitton that I'm sure I can just make fit. So, opening up the dust bag, there is my beautiful, oh, it's upside down. Is it upside down? Yeah. I've got my beautiful Monogram agenda from Louis Vuitton. So this is the medium size, so it fits the personal size or personal wide planner inserts. It looks like this. It's got the gold rings on the inside, and I had quickly inspected it while I was in store, while I was picking it up, because I didn't want to have to go back there in case there were issues. And so far from what I can see, it looks really good. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the hardware. The stitching looks immaculate. The piping on the edge looks, is it piping? I don't know what it's called. Anyways, the sealant on the side, that black material that they use to seal it with, looks really good. And I'm just inspecting it while I'm on camera with you guys, but it looks literally perfect. It's got such a nice weight to it. It feels very luxurious, and I love the size of it. So as you can see, the size of this one versus my Monogram planner, it's quite a large difference. So this will make it a lot easier to bring around and carry with me on the go. I'm just gonna open this up now. Oh, it's got a nice sturdy clasp. Nothing is wrong with it. And guys, the best part about this planner, it is made in France. You guys, I am so excited. I didn't have high hopes for this because I had wanted one made from France, as many people do. Some people don't care, but I mean, it would be nice to get one from France, but I didn't have my high hopes for that because when we had ordered this and they provided like the shipping and stuff like that, and they were telling us where it was coming from, it was being shipped in from the United States. And so I was concerned that it was going to be made from the US as well, just because, I mean, it makes sense, right? But it's made from France, so I'm very happy about that. And over here, it's just got the product code in there. I'll stick that in the box. So it's got the card slots, the 6 rings here, a flap right here, and then the little loop for a pen. And it just, oh, and there's also, no, there isn't. I thought there was a flap over here, but there isn't. It looks incredible. It looks so luxurious. I didn't get anything hot stamped on here. I know that you can, but I don't feel the need to have to personalize it by hot stamping it. For me, I've ordered a bunch of things to go inside of here, so I think that in itself is already enough personalization for me. I don't need to have my initials monogrammed in here. So I am extremely, extremely excited about this planner. I can't wait to start using her and for all of my other items to come in that I have ordered, because it's going to look so, so cute. If you are curious as to how I set it up, I'm going to have a video coming up about how I set her up and how it looks inside, and I'll do like a flip through and things like that. I'll also do like videos showing you my hauls of the items that I have purchased for this planner. So if you're interested to see any of that and how I end up setting it up, then stay tuned, because that will be coming up very soon. Anyways, I am so, so excited about this new planner of mine, and I'm very grateful to my husband for this. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's little unboxing video. If you guys are interested, I actually have started an Instagram page linked to this YouTube channel. On there, I will be posting pictures of not just my luxury handbags and things like that, but also of my planner. Just started it, so it's relatively new. So if you guys are interested in that, then go and follow me on Instagram there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me in today's quick unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And stay tuned for more content on my planner and things like that. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to join our little community here. It would mean a great deal to me. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!